How to fix application stuck on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix if your applications get stuck on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're using a specific app, it just gets stuck out of nowhere, it's just on the same screen, and now you want to go ahead and simply actually fix that. The very first thing you can do is simply try to close the application or force close it by just closing it again and then going ahead and then open it up, or closing it again and then open it up again. Sometimes this will fix the issue. If it doesn't, then what you can do is just open up your settings. Once you open settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and once you go to iPhone storage, select the application that you're having the issue with, then tap on the offload app button, tap on offload. This is going to delete the app but keep its documents and data. Now once you've done that, just go ahead and tap on the reinstall app button, and this should most likely solve your problem if you've been having issue with the app. Now if this doesn't help as well, what you want to do is, in this case I was just selecting TikTok, right? So you want to check if the TikTok app actually has an update. So open up your app store and then in the search box just type in TikTok or whichever application you're having issue with. Once you go ahead and type in the name of the application, check if it has an update. If it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version. Last but not the least, also try to restart your iPhone. So sometimes restarting might also help you solve the problem. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, queries or doubts, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.